Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular kinetic sand games currently on the market. This isn't just any ordinary sand. It's a dynamic, interactive experience that promises hours of fun and creativity. Stick around as we explore what makes this product stand out from the rest. Kinetic Sand has revolutionized the way we play with traditional sand. Unlike its conventional counterpart, this kinetic sand maintains a unique texture that feels like it's alive, allowing you to mold and shape it without it drying out. It's perfect for both kids and adults who enjoy tactile experiences and creative play. The sand's unique formula ensures it's always soft and moldable, making it easy to build intricate structures and shapes. Unlike regular sand, this kinetic sand sticks to itself and not to you. It's easy to clean up and won't leave residue on your hands or surfaces. Available in a wide range of vibrant colors, sparking creativity and allowing for endless combinations. Promotes sensory development and fine motor skills in younger users while offering stress relief benefits for adults. Let me show you just how easy it is to create with this kinetic sand. Whether you're building a sandcastle, molding animals, or simply squishing it between your fingers, the possibilities are endless. It's as satisfying as it is therapeutic. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best kinetic sand game out there, look no further. This product combines quality, creativity, and endless fun in a way that's hard to beat. Whether you're shopping for yourself or a loved one, this kinetic sand game is sure to bring joy and creativity into your life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product critiques like this one. Until next time, happy molding!